Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students, how are you today? I hope you are in good condition. Today we are going to discuss about economic action, economic motive, and economic principle. Do you know the differences? Okay, to know about economic action, economic motive, and economic principle, please pay attention to my following explanation. I have a video about market. In this video, you can find what is the economic action.
Langit belum menampakkan elok sinar mentari. Ketika matahari memulai perjalanan ke peraduan. Sejauh mata memandang, ibu-ibu malang melintang di jalan pasar, bergula dengan waktu, menembus dinginnya pagi. Riuh pedagang mencari para pelanggan, menawarkan barang dagangannya. Riuh penuh harapan dari para pedagang demi menyambung hidup. Pedagang dan pembeli melakukan tawar-menawar harga sebagai identitas asli pasar tradisional. Kesepakatan sering terjadi walau harga terlalu miring bagi para pedagang. Namun, demi sesuap nasi, mereka rela. Semua kalangan berkumpul. Mereka yang kaya, mereka yang miskin, dia yang anak-anak. Bahkan mereka yang telah lanjut usia. Kehangatan suasana pasar bercampur riuh suara tawar-menawar, memberikan atmosfer tersendiri. Senyum sederhana mereka terpancar harapan keikhlasan menjalani hidup. Mereka jajakan menunggu para peminatnya. Salah satu hal yang menarik perhatian adalah orang lanjut usia yang tetap setia dengan pekerjaannya yang telah dilakoni sejak puluhan tahun lalu. Kios-kios bertembok kusam, lapa-lapa yang lusuh menjadi saksi bisu bahwa pasar tradisional telah berlangsung sejak lama. Mereka bergula dengan waktu demi keberlangsungan hidup untuk anak dan cucu. Tak peduli mereka tak cukup tidur, yang terpenting mereka bisa makan hari ini. Konsistensi dan ketekunan yang membuat mereka bertahan di tengah gempuran pasar modern yang kian merajalela. Hanya keyakinan mereka kepada Yang Maha Kuasa atas rezeki yang adil dan membuat mereka tetap kokoh pada pendiriannya. Pasar tradisional menjadi salah satu saksi bisu peradaban perekonomian yang masih hidup baginya. Ini ceritaku. Terima kasih telah menonton. And until see you next time.
All the person in this video do activities. What for they do all the activities? Yes, they do their activities for fulfill their needs. Seller, buyer, the pedicab driver, and etc. do their activities for fulfill their needs. That's why their activities called economic action. Economic action is all human activities for fulfill their needs. How about economic motive? What is economic motive? Human do their activities for fulfill their needs. For fulfill their need is economic motive. For fulfill needs is one of economic motive. There are 4 economic motives. First, motives for fulfill needs. Second, motives for social activities. Third, motives for getting a word. And the last is motives for gaining power. Next, about economic principle. What is economic principle? Economic principle is an attempt to get certain result with the smallest possible sacrifice. For example, someone will buy shoes at shop A with the price is 150,000. At shop B, the price of shoes is 149,000, and at the store C, the price of shoes of the same quality is 149,500. Based on the principle, the person will certainly buy at shop B, which costs cheaper and same quality. Okay students, now you can differentiate about economic action, economic motive, and economic principle. That's all my explanation. See you on the next meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.